my channel. Today I will be unboxing the Barbie color reveal advent calendar. Look how cute, guys. Oh my gosh. So this has 25 gifts, it says. So I guess it should be 25 including the Barbie, yeah. Whatever, let's open and see. So I guess you start opening right here, right? Guys, I don't know about this. What if I need something? Like I need to open it with something, like... No! I'm fixing it, guys. I don't need help. Oh my god, and this should be the Barbie. I'm pretty sure. I'm also filming for my TikTok, if you want to see that. Oh my god, this is the Barbie. Guys, should we start off with the Barbie or should we do one of the other ones? I mean, these are like gifts for this Barbie. I have the warm water here. It has to be warm for the Barbie to turn color, and you will see that soon. This is too cute! Ah! I just love it. I can't wait to meet this Barbie. So, we open here. And we have this here, the instructions. No, these are the things that you can't collect. Wow! It's a dog with it. Let's open the Barbie. 1, 2. Look at this. She's gorgeous, guys. Guys, I don't want to take, like, the thing is that this is gonna turn into a real Barbie out of these colors. I'm not ready to, like, take this color off this Barbie. It's too cute. Okay, and now we're gonna pour in the water. It has to be like warm water, so not like super hot, but warm water. It says, I hope it is like, it's already changing colors. Oh my god, it's already changing colors. This is too fun. That scared me. No. She just popped right up. Okay, let's pop her back, I guess. Okay. Let's lock this in. Look at this, guys. It's so warm and nice to hold as well. Like, I have cold hands. It's winter. Okay, I'll put this aside while we open the rest. So many. Oh my god. What should we start with? Let's start with number 1. Oh, it must be for the little one. That's so cute. It's not focusing that much. So adorable. Aww. I need this. Aww. So cute. The 5th, come on now. Right here. What is it, like a smoothie or something? It's so cute. Shoes. Such cute shoes. Oh my god, look at this. Let's take just this one. The little dog just floating. Wow, it's so glittery and cute. Let's continue. Come on. You know what? I'm not even gonna open in order. Let's go. It's a dress. I feel like this Barbie's gonna be so gorgeous. She's gonna be like so gorgeous. Let's see here. I want this outfit for myself. This is so cute. So cute thing. This advent calendar is like the best calendar ever. Aww. And what about this one? Oh my god, these are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Wow. This little polar bear. We got one in pink and we already have one in blue. That's amazing. Guys, comment down below. Do you prefer pink or blue? Or just comment your favorite color. Woo, we have this. Let's take these off so we know which ones we have like already looked into. So cute. She has so much clothes on. These are the leggings for her. Where can I buy clothes that looks like this? Comment down below if you know where I can buy clothes that looks exactly like this, because I'm so jealous of her style that I can't have these for myself. Oh, let's see you open it. Too cute. Yeah, let's take this one, the 21. More shoes? Wow. Pink ones. So cute. This one I wouldn't want for myself. It's a little bit like, I don't know how this is gonna keep me warm around my neck during the winter. Look at the little birds. You see, guys? It's a little horse. Too cute. I want this hat on me. This is a little snögubbe, as it's called in Swedish. Okay. No, it's earrings. I'm so stupid, it's earrings. Of course you gotta have earrings. And we have this. A present! How cute! Okay, so what do we have now? We have like dress, leggings, shoes, maybe something more for the dog? Let's see. Wow. This is so like more mystery. Let's open it up. What's a ponytail? No, what am I thinking? It's for her, obviously. Guys, I'm so sorry. I literally saw just now that I forgot to open the 13 one. Like, how can I miss that? Let's open the 13 one and see what that can be. Oh, it's another one of these. Oh my god, it's hair? Oh my god, it's so cute. Like, I love the packaging. Oh, it's another ponytail. Oh my god, I'm loving this. It's like the same one as the last one, but like a bit of pink in it and straight. It's time to see how the Barbie turned out. I'm so excited. Also how the dog turned out, but first the Barbie. This is such a satisfying sound. I've seen people making this sound on TikTok. It's the best. Oh my gosh. Yes, there we go. Look at her. Guys, how gorgeous. Oh my god. Let's put our clothes on. This is amazing, guys. So guys, this is her in her party outfit. Look how gorgeous she is. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to thumbs up and comment down below what you want me to see next and give me a follow. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!